Today we got S23 Ultra, and let's see what happened. Here we go. Screen is broken. Let's turn this thing off. There we go. Okie dokie. Let's put the phone. And let's open the back. Just be careful, don't go all the way in, otherwise you're gonna break something in it. There we go. Okay, these all are Phillips head screws. So let's open this thing up. 1, 2, 3. Let's disconnect the wireless charging coil. Be a little bit careful. Let's take bottom screws out. You just need to be careful. If you put a lot of force, you may damage it. Bottom screws are a little bit smaller than top screws. There we go. Let me take this thing out. And always put these, they're going to be like 3 screws, and put them beside your charging port. Okay, let's disconnect the battery. First you have to disconnect the battery and press and hold for at least like couple seconds, because still the motherboard have a power, so we don't want anything to go shorted out. Take this cable, take the main cable, let's take the SIM card out. Disconnect 5G antennas, S-Pen connector, touch cable, and ear speaker. Boom. Let's take the okie dokie. Then take these screws. You have to be very careful. If you miss these screws, you may break the screen if you put them back in. Just put them aside. This thing, let's take it out. Okay, so motherboard will have a black screw right there. If you miss this one, if you try to take the motherboard out, you may break it. And let's cook the phone. Let me take the S Pen out. S Pen is out. And let's take the motherboard. Always take the motherboard out from the right, because this side have a cameras. And here we go. And let's cook the phone. I believe this thing will not go out. Let me cook the phone, okay? Here we go. Our phone is fully cooked. Take 5G antenna. Another 5G antenna. Take the camera out. And let's take it out. This time Samsung did a great job. They put the adhesive so you can just, reuse it after taking the screen out. Okay, this is a fingerprint scanner, so you guys don't need to replace this one. Other screen comes with the fingerprint, so there we go. Let's make it like a new. Good is new, right? Here's the new screen. Peel the plastic. Let's put everything together. What is this? Okay, it's nothing, just take it out, because this screen comes with adhesive, so you don't need to worry about any adhesive at all. First put the battery in. If battery is in, then you have to put the motherboard in. After putting motherboard in, make sure it's all the way aligned properly. And first connector, and this is the S Pen one. Let me connect this one. Boom, this one in. Front camera. And ear speaker. And it's cool. Okay, so let me take the ear speaker back, because we need to put 5G antenna in it. And there we go. Easy peasy. And then let's put the charging port in. Charging port screws are different, okay? If you accidentally put the other screws in, you may break the screen OLED panel. Good is new. Okie dokie. Let's put this one in. Let's put two small screws and another screw. Good, fantastic. Then don't forget the black screw, okay? Goes here. Some reason my screwdriver is not picking screws. Then let's connect Wi-Fi antenna. Then sub cable. this thing connects daughter board to the main motherboard, and let's connect this one, sub cable to main board, and sub cable to main board. Make sure like all pins are making connection. So then the battery, yep, battery's in, and make sure everything looks fantastic. Yep, great, fantastic. Everything looks fantastic. Put bottom screws, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here we go. Here we go. Everything looks fantastic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Put the SIM card in and turn the phone on. There we go. Put this pen in. Well, boom, fantastic. There's the old screen and new screen. No lines, nothing. So for now I will just put a back, because I told customer we can put a gasket, but he told me like he refused to put a gasket in. So what we are doing, we are just putting this thing in, because we don't want another gasket. Here we go. S23 Ultra is ready to go. Make sure everything works great and fantastic. Here we go. Fantastic. Settings. Make sure everything works fine. Boom. Ready to go. Yep. Thank you for watching.